Hello everyone, we'll be looking at frosting designs. First, start off by adding the pink and white frosting into your piping bag with this particular nozzle, and now put this design all over to make it look like flowers all around. Now take a little bit of green frosting, add it in flakes here and there to make it look like the leaves of your flower. Next, we'll start off by taking this particular nozzle, attach it to the piping bag, and then just push it down and push it back up, and then you should be left with this design. Put it on your piping plate, and then afterwards, in the sides, you may take some green frosting and then add flakes of it all around to make it look like the leaves of our flower. Make sure to insert it in the middle as well. This will give it a more even tone. Next, take some pink and white frosting in a piping bag with this particular nozzle, make these opposite U shapes, and then move from the inside to the outside as such. This will give you a flower. Continue to do so and make multiple layers of this. The more layers you add, the better. As you can see, we have made a very white flower out of our frosting. Next, we've started off by adding some green frosting to the center. Next, we have taken some blue frosting and then we are adding layers to it, moving from the inside to the out as such. We are making it look like a closed-up flower. Now continue to add more and more layers, as many as possible, and then this is what it should begin to look like. Now for our next design, we'll start off by taking this particular nozzle, add some pink frosting into it, then take your cupcakes, and then afterwards make swirls on top of the cupcakes. Now take our little edible pearls, and then as you can see, decorate it by adding some little dots all around. Next, add the swirl again to the top of the cake, and then add it another one, a lighter shade to another one. Add some white as well. Thank you for watching.